Hi there, welcome to another Messenger Minute. Today I'm going to be showing you how to share and publish a Google Slides presentation on the web. So I prepared a Google Slides presentation in advance. So once your slide presentation is complete, what you're going to look for is this share button on the right. So when I click it, I'll get a sharing dialog. The one we're going to be using is this one, Get Shareable Link, on the top right of your dialog box. Once clicked, we're going to select who we want to share this link with. Currently it's set to GNSPES only. I'm going to change that by selecting this dialog and choosing more. And I'm actually going to make this available to anyone I give the link to. So my two options are on public on the web, which is anyone can search for this this presentation on the web and access it, or on anyone with the link. This means that it will not be searchable through a search engine like Google, only to people who actually have the link. So for example, if I want to put it on my website, anyone visiting my website will be able to see it. So I'm going to select this one, on anyone with the link, and that means no sign-in is required. If they have the link, they can see it. I'm going to save that and click done. Now this thing is available. Anyone who has the link can see it. Now what I'm going to do is publish this thing on the web before I actually provide the link. So in the file menu over here on the left, you will see publish to the web appear down towards the bottom. When I click publish to the web, there's some parameters I need to set. So how fast will the slides play, and should it start and repeat immediately. So I will select start as soon as the player loads, and I will choose publish. Now that's going to provide me with a new link to the published slideshow. So I'll copy that now and show you how it will look. Okay, as you can see, it plays automatically, and every 5 seconds it will skip to the next page. So the last thing to do is actually share this link with someone who wants to see your presentation. Thanks for tuning in. This has been another Messenger Minute.